If you talk about the best real estate investment website or platform, then I gave it up for this script. Trust me, the front end, the UI is top notch. Now, this is the front end of this script and it is awesome. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, I will teach you how you can actually install this very script. Let's say you have a customer who wants to invest on real estate and you want to own a real estate investment website, then I will entrust you, I will want you to get this very particular script. It is awesome. It is awesome. So this is the front end, and let me quickly navigate through the user dashboard here. Now this is the user dashboard. This is the user dashboard. So from the user dashboard, you can see your real estate investment, you can see your profit, then you can see your deposit, you can see your withdrawal, you can manage your referral, you can equally write support ticket, etc. So if you click on my investment, you are going to see your investment history, but currently there is no investment history here. So you can actually deposit money if you want to place any investment. So this is the user dashboard. Now the admin dashboard, let me take you to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. So from the admin dashboard, you have so many options and it is awesome. So without wasting our time, I'm going to teach you how you can install this very script on your server. So if you know this is the first time you're coming across my video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first person to see these videos whenever I release them. Now let me go straight to my C panel. All right, I've created a subfolder. Then I'm going to upload my script. I just click here and I'm just going to upload my script. So once I'm done, I'm going to extract my script. Then once I'm done extracting, I'm going to delete this very zip file because I will no longer need it anymore. Then I'm going to reload. I'll click it and I'll move all this file to my original folder or original URL. Then I'll delete this one also, I don't need it. Then my main files are here, so I'll open it again and I'll move it to my main folder as well. Then I'll delete this file because I no longer need it again as well. Then once you are done with this here, you go and create your database. I love using database wizard because it is more faster. Then I'll call this RealVest. Then I'll use the same thing as the username, RealVest. Then I'll generate a password for my database. Always make sure to remember your username and password for your database connection, because if it is wrong, it is wrong. Then you have to click on allow privilege. Then make sure you copy your username and password because you want to use it. Then go to your URL and load your site. RealVest is the folder I use. Then in front of it, put /install. The next thing is for you to click on next. Now we need to give all this permission. We need to run on PHP 8.3 and we need to give all this permission. So we'll go to our C panel, then we'll type PHP version. We'll type PHP version and we are going to change it to PHP 8.3 because currently we are running PHP 8.1. Alright, once we're done, just click on this version, scroll down and turn it to 8.3 and you click on apply. Now once you click on apply, come back to this place, dial your folder here, click on core folder. We need to give all the file permission on cache to be 0775. Then go back, then on storage, open it. Our app, it will be 0775, then our framework Then our log, the same thing, 0075. So let's see if you are right. Yeah, our cache, your storage app, and log. So we are correct. So let's recheck. Now we mixed one. Okay, the storage itself, we mixed the storage folder itself. The storage folder, we are going to do 0075. Then let's come back and check. All right, so we are good to go. Then we click on the next step. Now you need to put your website URL name here. Then the database name we created, remember, in our username. Then our host is always localhost. Then you put your password. Now you are going to create the username you want to be using login to your admin. Let me just use a random one. Then you need to put an email address. Once you're done, you click on install. Now our script has successfully installed, so we'll go to website and see how it looks like. Now access denied. So let's work on this on our user. Sometimes when you see something like this on access denied, so what you need to do, you need to open the .env. Sometimes you need to concatenate your password. You need to concatenate your password. So sometimes if your password is not concatenated, it won't work. But you see that your website is up and running. So let's try and log it to our admin dashboard. And this is our admin dashboard. So you need to copy this cron job. Once you copy this cron job, come to your cPanel, search for cron. Yeah, search for cron job like this. Then scroll down, come here and click on per 5 minutes and drop the cron job here, and you add your new cron job. So this is your website and everything is working perfectly. So if you need this script, just copy our WhatsApp number below and send us a DM, then we'll send this script for you.